Come see what 569,000 buys you in Brantford. Inside, you will find a room that can be used as a bedroom, a guest room, a den, or an office, followed by a nice sized garage for storage, a 3-piece powder room, and laundry main floor, which is a bonus. Then over here, you've got a good sized kitchen with lots of cabinetry and white appliances, lots of lighting in here, open concept to your living area, and then onto your main bedroom with an ensuite. Tub, shower, sink, and toilet essentially. And then back to the backyard. Look at how spacious that it is. You have a nice sized lot. Downstairs, you have a bonus room. Plus another, ta-da, makeshift bathroom. And in the back, a utility room. So tell me, would you live here?